Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It's like today we're doing puzzle number 15. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here. So 3. I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 here and an 8 here, so this is our 6. That 8 is, this is our 3, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1, 2 here, so 7, 2. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 8, 3. To finish out this box, we're missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7. That makes this our 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. To finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 6, 1, and that means this is our 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 here, 7 here. That makes this our 5. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6. I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this top row, we're only missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column now, we're only missing a 4. This column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. To finish out this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.